New Frontier Data's highly coveted analyst reports are distributed exclusively through Equio. As an Equio subscriber, access to this library of reports is just a few clicks away. Each time you log into Equio, you will land on the main dashboard. From here, click the Reports and Charts section from the left-hand navigation menu. Within the Reports and Charts section, you will land on the Included Report sub-tab within the My Report section. Here is where you will find all analyst reports included with your current Equio subscription. Any previously purchased reports associated with your account can be found under the Purchase Reports sub-tab. If you already know which report you're interested in, you can locate it using the Select a Report dropdown. Or if you'd like to find reports related to a specific topic, use the search bar to enter a keyword or phrase. To view a report, click on the report that you are interested in to open the PDF viewer. Within the PDF viewer, you'll be able to access the entire contents of the report that you are viewing. One feature of Equio Pro subscription level is the ability to download analyst reports to view outside of Equio. Equio Pro subscribers will see a download button at the bottom right-hand corner of the PDF viewer. Upon clicking the download button, Equio Pro subscribers are able to save a PDF version of any report to their computer for their viewing pleasure. We here at New Frontier Data look forward to helping you meet your cannabis business intelligence needs. And on behalf of the entire team, thank you.